In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a Smartsheet dashboard. Setting up a dashboard in Smartsheet is a fantastic way to visualize key data and metrics, making information more accessible and actionable for your team. So, without further ado, let's dive into the process of creating your very own dashboard. First, we'll start on the home page, or you can find your way through the left navigation bar in Smartsheet, whichever is more convenient for you. Once you're there, keep an eye out for the plus icon. Alternatively, you might see a button labeled Start a New Project, Program, or Process. Both options will set you on the right path to creating your dashboard. Selecting one will open a menu with choices to kickstart your new project. Now, from the options presented, select Dashboard. In some cases, especially if you have a customized Smartsheet setup or you're using a specific template, this option might be labeled as Dashboard Portal. Selecting the dashboard option is crucial because it specifically caters to your need for a visual layout to track and manage projects or performance metrics. Being meticulous at this stage saves you from potential confusion later when organizing data into widgets and elements that really bring your dashboard to life. Having clicked to create a dashboard, you'll be prompted to enter a name. Take a moment here to think carefully about what you're going to call your dashboard. The name should ideally be descriptive enough to give anyone a clear idea of the content or purpose at a glance. For instance, if your dashboard pertains to quarterly sales figures, you might call it Q1 Sales Overview, or something equally intuitive. Once you've decided on a suitable name, go ahead and enter it into the provided field. Once you have a name ready and entered, simply click OK. At this point, Smartsheet will create your new dashboard. This marks the beginning of your journey to tailoring it to display exactly what your audience or team needs to see. This involves dragging and dropping widgets to arrange your data sources and displaying information such as KPIs, charts, and reports in a clean, organized fashion. By progressing through these straightforward steps, you've effectively set the groundwork for a powerful information hub. Remember, the key to a successful dashboard is to remain mindful of your audience and the goals they're aiming to achieve. The elements you choose to include should always reinforce the overarching objectives you're tracking or reporting on. Whether you're displaying project priorities or pinpointing bottlenecks, always prioritize clarity and ease of use. And there you have it. You've learned how to set up a Smartsheet dashboard, which can now be customized further to fit your specific needs. This tool will no doubt serve as an invaluable resource for organizing and displaying the critical data that drives your projects forward. Thank you for watching, and happy dashboarding.